Hey guys, now in the next few minutes, I hope to convince you to never ever use chemical ingredients on your floors again. Not only because you don't want to be using, I know this is a no-brainer. If I said to you, if there are natural alternatives that are incredibly simple, that you have to do virtually no effort, and I'm going to give you 3 alternatives to do this so that it makes your life simplified, that you no longer have to put chemicals on your floors. Now just think about this. This is your biggest footprint as far as putting chemicals in your house. And I'm going to show you that floor chemicals, the studies have shown that they don't work any better than water anyway. So you're wasting your money and you're putting horrible fragrant smells and chemicals throughout your body. Think about the land, think about the floor, the size of the floor. Just this one thing that I'm going to show you to use a natural alternative, then you no longer have to put chemicals, the cost, and all of those toxic hazardous chemicals on your floors ever again. And it is absolutely simple. And I'm going to show you, as I say, 3 different alternatives. So what do I do to clean my floors, right? And I'm going to show you this throughout in the next lectures. But all I do is I use a microfiber. Now, we use microfibers everywhere. They are literally little vacuum cleaners. Microfibers are absolutely brilliant to clean everything throughout the house. They like suck up the dust and bacteria. They are absolutely brilliant. So we use that to get rid of the cat hair and any dust. And then I use a Bissell steam mop, which you're about to find out about as well. So there are 0 chemicals on our floors. So again, think about the size of your floors and think about never ever using any chemicals on those floors again. Again, because they don't even work well. Right, so what I'm going to show you, now, by the way, I have simplified this, and the reason I have simplified this, because originally I made a chemical-free, well, toxic chemical-free, because everything has chemicals, but a toxic chemical-free course that had different things for bath cleaners, mirror cleaners, or tiles, all of these different things, all of these different recipes, which I thought was fantastic, all of these different options. But guess what? And this happened to me because, well, my cleaning lady who comes once a week will say, Mark, we don't have anything, any of that natural bath cleaner, in a tub cleaner. And I go, oh God, what did I do for that? So I'd have to look back through the course. So it was really complicated. So what I've done in my actual course, which I'm going to show, there'll be a link if you're interested at the end, I'm going to show you, and it's on special, that you can get this, and it just uses a couple of ingredients to clean your entire house. Everything toxic, hazardous chemicals will be gone forever. Okay, so I'm going to show you, this is from my course, I'm going to show you 3 alternatives. The first just uses 1 simple product and add it to water to clean all of your floors, which we've done, and it's absolutely brilliant. The second is just, you don't need anything except buy this one thing and then you're done. And that's what we use on this floor as well. And the third thing is just making a more, just say you don't want to make anything. You don't want to put 1 product with the water, or you don't want to buy this one thing to clean your floors, but you say, well, I tell you what, I'll just buy a better, more environmentally friendly, more chemical-free product. And I'm going to show you a website where you can make informed choices, not only for your floor cleaners, but for every single thing, laundry detergents, everything, and we'll go through that as well. So sit back and have a look. Okay, so look, if you don't do anything in this course, you've got to do this one, and not for the reason you're probably thinking. Right, so the biggest bang for your buck has to be the floors. If we can change the floors from chemical cleaning to natural, that's going to have a massive impact on our house. All of those chemicals, the Pino Clean or Fabuloso, whatever you're using, on the floors, let's change that for natural. Right, now you might be thinking, well, that's a good idea, so I'm not spreading all these chemicals and the fumes and potential harsh irritants of the chemicals. You'd be right. Yeah, change that from chemical to natural. You don't have that anymore. You might also be thinking, well, that'd be great. No more of that horrible synthetic fragrance of orange or lavender or whatever the heck that's supposed to be, that synthetic fragrance which is horrible, and change that to a more natural essential oil fragrance, and then also get the potential therapeutic benefits. You'd also be right. But here's the thing you probably haven't even considered. Floor cleaners have been tested and they don't work. They're no better than water. In fact, this study by an independent consumer advisory group, so they tested 14 or 15 of the most popular floor cleaners, and they found they don't work any better than water. In fact, 2 were slightly better than water, but they still ranked as poor or borderline. In other words, really basically useless. Right, so they were so bad, the floor cleaner category, they won the end of year in 2020 Shonky Awards. Now, shonky is an Australian word meaning dodgy or doesn't work, bloody useless, right? So that was the floor cleaner category, the products in the floor cleaner. They won the Shonky Award for being completely useless or shonky, right? So for all the other reasons, the main reason you shouldn't be wasting your money on floor cleaners is because they don't work. So I've got it in your resources. So what's a more natural alternative that's going to work? Right, well this is super, super easy. You get your bucket. Okay, you can use hot water, which is better because it's going to have a degreasing effect because it's going to melt the fat. So hot water, but you can use cold water. And this is exactly what I do here at home, okay? And then all you'll simply do in your gallon bucket of water is get your Castile soap, all right? I use a capful. Depending on your floor space, try with a capful. If you need to use 2 capfuls, that sort of thing, that's all you do. Now, the beauty of it is, these have got gorgeous essential oils. So I put a capful in, and this one's peppermint. And peppermint, as you'll learn later in the course, is great for eradicating pests such as cockroaches, ants, that sort of thing. So a capful of that into here, stir that around, and there is your floor cleaner. Way, way better than these commercial bought floor cleaners. Right, now, you might say, could I add some essential oils? Yeah, whatever you like. I go into essential oils later, but again, I'm never put essential oils in because the essential oils in here make this whole place smell amazing. And of course I get the beautiful, beautiful therapeutic benefits all throughout the house. So that's your alternative. There's another alternative that you can use, okay? And this is a steam mop. You can go out and buy a steam mop which uses just water or steam to clean your floors. So if you didn't want to do this, you go get yourself a steam mop. You just have to be careful of the floor and read the instructions of which floors you can and can't use them in. But a steam mop uses only water to clean and cleans brilliantly as well. So there you go. Castile soap in your water, a steam mop, there's your second option. And I've got a third option if you didn't even want to do either of those two. Let's have a look at this because this can apply throughout the whole course on all of your products. Just very quickly, if you like what you're seeing, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and in the links below, you can see I've got fantastic deals. If you want to study aromatherapy, massage, I've got bundles. You can have a look at huge discounts so you can take advantage of that. But for now, let's get back to the video. All right, so as promised, there's a third option that you've got for floor cleaning. But this is not just for floor cleaning, as you're about to find out. This is across the board. So any cleaners that I talk about, you can go to this site because this site, what they do is they check cleaning products and how toxic or potentially harmful they are based on their chemical constituents. But not only that, they do beauty products and sun creams and all sorts of things you can have a look at. But so what they're doing, they're ranking them from best to worst. So you can actually have a look, whatever cleaning products you're currently using, you can see how they're ranked based on the chemicals that are in those products. So let's have a look at this, and I'm going to show you all these alternatives that you can make easily from, even if you don't want to make anything, you can still buy better options just based on their ranking. So let's have a look at that and I'll teach you all about it. Okay, so this is the site, it's ewg.org. So if you go to consumer guides here, and then all you do, come down and guide to healthy cleaning. So as I say, you can look at, they do water testing, they do all sorts of things, but staying focused, we'll just keep on the healthy cleaning. Go to that, view the guide. Right, so here we are. And now as you'll see here, they then rank air fresheners, all-purpose sprays and cleaning products, bathroom, dishwashing, floor care, all of these things. Now, so because we're talking about floor care, so we'll go there. Now, you can see the ranking. So that is the highest ranking. There are 4 products verified there. So, and then they go down worse, and 78 products are scored in F, which is the worst. So if I click on this, you'll see here. So here's Amway, they're in alphabetical order. So Amway, now, of course, you can type in the search box here which product you've got here. So as you can see here, so we can have a look at, these are all the ones in F. So you could have a look and see what these are, and you can go to brands to check out which ones are which, if you've got a specific brand, right? But if we just go back here, now, so my point was this. So let's say you put in whatever yours is, you typed it in and you got an F or an E or something. Then what you can do, you can either type in a product that you know of and check what that's ranked, or you can just go to specific products. Let's have a look at which 30 products scored an A. So then you can go through these and you can have a look and see all of these have got an A. So let's just have a look here. All right, so this is Martha Stewart Clean Wood Floor Cleaner, clean carpets. So it's got an A. So if we click on that, that'll tell you lowest concern. That's the strictest standard, EWG verified, but lowest concern. So you can then make informed choices on one. So let's say your product is an F. Well, then you could, and again, you could do this throughout the whole course. If you went, yeah, I don't have time to make anything, no matter how easy it is, I'll just buy a better price. And that's exactly what you can do. So one, you can find which ones you're using and see how they rank. If they rank great, well, great. But if they don't, well, then you can have a look. So you can go all the way down through laundry, everything. Now, if I type in Tide, for example, let's have a look at Tide. So here's something else. Let's say you love the brand Tide, and you go, okay. Now, if you look through here, there's a Tide powder detergent, scores B, but Tide goes all, if we go right down to the end here, and this is again based on the chemicals that they use, so we can see here, you can have a look at your Tide product, and even if you want to get the same brand, you can make a better choice to go to C or even the B one, so you can see which Tides are Fs, and go all the way back up. So again, you can make choices that are in the same brand, or it doesn't matter, whatever you know in the supermarket, you can check them out. So then you can just simply buy products that are more natural, healthier for you, healthy for your family, and so on and so forth, based simply on their rankings, and then without even making anything, you could do this. Now, remember, I'm talking about scaling up and scaling down throughout the course. So you could make your own floor cleaner, but you don't want to do laundry. So like we're in here. So yeah, I don't want to make my own laundry, so my own laundry product. So you could do that as well. You want to make your floor cleaner, you want to make it so I said, you can make a couple, 2 or 3, and make a massive impact, but other things you go, yeah, I'll just buy a healthier option. So this is it, ewg.org.